Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're solving a Cbse 2023 board exam question from the topic linear equations in two variables. Okay, so let's look at the question. A lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter. Rittik paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days and Manmohan paid rupees 21 for a book kept for 5 days. Find the fixed charges and the charge for each extra day. Okay, so let's first try and understand what the question is saying. What it means is that for the first 3 days, there's a fixed charge. And after that, there's an additional charge for each extra day the book is kept. Okay, so let me assume that let the fixed charge be equal to rupees X and the additional charge for each extra day equal to rupees Y. Okay, now what have they mentioned in the question? They've said that Rittik paid rupees 27 for a book which he kept for 7 days. Now what is that 7 days? Let's try and understand. If he's kept the book for 7 days, for the first 3 days, right? For 3 days, he would pay the fixed charge. That is, he would pay X. And for the 4 extra days, that is 7 minus 3, which is the 4 extra days, these are the extra days. He would pay 4 times Y, because for each extra day, he has to pay Y rupees. Okay, so now totally he seems to have paid rupees 27. So let me just form the first linear equation. His total charge would become X plus 4Y equal to 27. So I have my first linear equation. Now Manmohan, on the other hand, he paid rupees 21 for a book which he kept for 5 days. Okay, so let's split his 5 days into 3 fixed days which he has kept the book for, and 5 minus 3, 2 extra days he's kept the book. Okay, so that is for the first 3 days together, he has to pay X, which is the fixed charge for all the 3 days together. And for the 2 extra days, he has to pay Y rupees each per day. That makes it 2Y. And the total cost he's paid is, the total amount he's paid is rupees 21. So that's equal to 21. So I have my second linear equation. Now all I have to do is solve the two linear equations either by using the substitution method or the elimination method. And in this case, both works. Okay, so let me just go for the substitution method. So from equation 1, I know X is equal to 27 minus 4Y. Okay, which I'm marking as my third equation. And I'm substituting 3 in 2. Substituting 3 in 2. Okay, so in place of X here, I would put this value 27 minus 4Y plus 2Y is equal to 21, which gives me 27 minus 2Y is equal to 21, or minus 2Y is equal to 21 minus 27. Minus 2Y is equal to minus 6, or Y is equal to minus 6 by minus 2, which gives me 3. Okay, so let's try to find the value of X now by putting this value Y equal to 3 in equation 3. In equation 3, I'm substituting it. So what is the value? What was the equation 3? It is X equal to 27 minus 4Y. So X would be 27 minus 4 times 3, which is 27 minus 12, which gives me 50. Okay, so therefore we know that the fixed charge for the first 3 days is equal to rupees 15, and additional charge per extra day is equal to rupees 3. Okay, so that's how you solve this linear equation word problem step by step. Okay, so if you would like to watch similar videos on questions from linear equations, please don't forget to check out my playlist. If you have a math question that you'd like me to cover, drop it in the comments and I'll be happy to do a video just for you. Also, if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.